An Italian Navy ship arrived Tuesday at the Albanian port of Shengjin with 49 migrants intercepted in international waters for vetting of their asylum applications at special Albanian centers, in the third such attempt following hurdles earlier raised by Italian courts. According to Associated Press, the migrants are to be checked in at a reception center at the port of Shengjin, 66 kilometers northwest of the capital, Tirana, before being taken to the Gjader accommodation center, about 22 kilometers to the east. Italy's Interior Ministry did not specify the nationality of the migrants brought to Shengjin, but local media said they were from Bangladesh, Egypt, Ivory Coast and Gambia. The attempt at processing in Albania follows two previous failures in October and November, when Italian judges refused to approve the detention of two small groups at the Albanian centers, built under a contentious agreement between Italy and Albania. The courts rejected their detention and processing, saying their countries of origin weren't safe enough for them to be sent back. The cases have been referred to the European Court of Justice, which earlier established that asylum applicants could not undergo a fast-track procedure that could lead to repatriation if their home countries are not deemed completely safe. The European Court hearing on the case is scheduled for February 25. Italian Prime Minister Giorgia Meloni's government had vowed to reactivate the two centers in Albania after they remained dormant following the Italian court's decisions. The November 2023 agreement allows up to 3,000 migrants intercepted by the Italian Coast Guard in international waters each month to be sheltered in Albania and vetted for possible asylum in Italy or repatriation. Italy has agreed to welcome those migrants who are granted asylum, while those whose applications are rejected face deportation directly from Albania. Tens of thousands of Palestinians returned to the most heavily destroyed part of the Gaza Strip on Monday as Israel lifted its closure of the north for the first time since the early weeks of the 15-month war with Hamas in accordance with a fragile ceasefire. According to Associated Press, massive crowds of people carrying their belongings on foot stretched along a main highway running next to the coast in a stunning reversal of the mass exodus from the north at the start of the war, which many Palestinians had feared Israel would make permanent. Palestinians who have been sheltering in squalid tent camps for over a year are eager to return to their homes, even knowing that they have likely been damaged or destroyed. Many saw their return as an act of steadfastness after Israel's military campaign, which was launched in response to Hamas' October 7, 2023, attack, and as a repudiation of U.S. President Donald Trump's suggestion that large numbers of Palestinians be resettled in Egypt and Jordan.